Can organic cotton survive the extreme physics of 1400 RPM? We are pushing air-jet looms to their absolute mechanical limits.
To prove that sustainability doesn't have to sacrifice speed. Watch as we recalibrate air pressure and precision timing.
To prevent yarn breakage at velocities that would normally shred natural fibers. This is engineering at the edge of what's physically possible.
By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how we engineered this process and why it changes everything for sustainable textile manufacturing.
I'm a textile process engineer, and for the last 18 months, our team has been running one of the most demanding fabric engineering trials.
Here's what we cover today. First, why organic cotton hates high-speed looms. Second, the exact recalibrations we made to fix it. Most industrial looms are engineered for synthetic yarn. Organic cotton is fundamentally different. Shorter fiber staple.
At 1400 RPM, the loom doesn't care about your sustainability goals. Physics is the boss, and we had to learn to negotiate with it.
Here's how an air-jet loom works. Compressed air fires through a main nozzle, propelling weft yarn across the loom shed in milliseconds.
Conventional settings run main nozzle pressure at 3 to 3.5 bar for synthetic yarn. That same pressure on organic cotton?
That's called weft herring, when the air column cannot uniformly grip a naturally irregular fiber at high velocity. It's a physics failure, not a machine failure.
Every weft break triggers a loom stop. At 1400 RPM, even 3 stops per hour on an 8-loom floor.
Our baseline data before recalibration showed organic cotton breaking 9x more frequently than synthetic at equivalent speed. Commercially, that's unworkable.
Stop! Before we get into the fix, I need you to understand why most mills simply don't attempt this. Because solving this isn't just about turning a dial.
You need to address yarn preparation, air delivery geometry, and timing simultaneously. Change one without the others and you solve nothing.
Our solution came down to 3 engineering variables: yarn preparation standardization, nozzle pressure profiling, and insertion timing recalibration. Let's break each one down.
Fix number 1. Yarn preparation.
We standardized our organic cotton to a 40/2 count with a twist multiplier of 3.8.
Combed over carded, non-negotiable. Protruding fibers in the air-jet stream create turbulence that brings the grip of the air column. Combing reduced our herring rate by 38%.
Fix number 2, nozzle pressure profiling. We redesigned the air delivery across the shed, not uniform pressure, but a deliberately tapered pressure curve.
Look at this. Compare that to our pre-calibration footage. Same yarn, same loom, same 1400 RPM.
Fix number 3, insertion timing. We advanced our weft insertion window by 5 crank degrees, opening the shed 5 degrees earlier to give the yarn more flight time, as it's at 1400 RPM, 5 crank degrees equals approximately 0.6 milliseconds of extra insertion time.
3 variables, all interdependent. You cannot apply just one. The system only works when all 3 are calibrated as a unified engineering solution.
After full implementation across our 8-loom trial floor, we ran a 72-hour continuous production trial. Here's what the data showed.
72 hours of continuous running. Average loom efficiency 91.4%. Industry benchmark weft break rate dropped from 7.4 to 1.1 breaks per 100,000 picks. That's an 85% reduction in yarn breakage. Commercially viable. Proven. The finished fabric. 60 picks per centimeter. Consistent weave density. 0 draw-in defects. And a surface
Air-jet looms consume 15 to 20% less energy per meter woven than rapier looms, making this the most energy-efficient method for organic cotton at commercial scale.
At 1400 RPM versus a cautious 900 RPM run, production output increases by 62% per loom per shift. Same mill.
This is the swatch. Woven at 1400 RPM, 100% GS certified organic cotton, and it costs 18% less.
Sustainable manufacturing has always been told it must accept a speed penalty, a cost penalty, or a scale penalty.
Let's recap what we proved today. Organic cotton can run at 1400 RPM on air-jet looms if you address yarn preparation, pressure. The industry standard said this couldn't be done at commercial scale. The physics said it required compromises we weren't willing to make. The data said otherwise.
Now I want to hear from you, Head. Are you running natural fiber weaving on high-speed looms? What's your biggest challenge right now? Drop it in the comments.
If you're serious about sustainable textile engineering, subscribe. I post deep dive process engineering content every week. Real data, real machinery, real results.